Well, hello from a very hot and sticky Cardiff.
Hello.
I said to Mel, I'm going to surprise you today. I'm going to take you away for a weekend.
You did?
Somewhere exotic,
And luxurious.
romantic. But that's why we're going to the Premier Inn in Cardiff. There. She hasn't turned round yet. She's stunned. She's stunned.
I was looking at the big hands behind us.
Not only is it a Premier Inn, top of the range, it's a new one. No, seriously, we've come away just to go shopping to get stuff for our next cruise. We're going on Cunard Queen Mary 2. So we said we'll stay the night
and
have some drinks and have dinner.
Yeah.
And this one, how much is this tonight?
I think it was before breakfast, £58.
£58, and that's the superior room.
Superior room, yes. So it's quite good value.
So let's go take a look.
This is a Sunday, mind you.
Yeah, at the Premier Inn in Cardiff. It's called the Premier Inn, the stadium one, because the stadium is about 5 minutes walk away.
And how long has it been open?
Since about February or March. The Premier Inn, Cardiff Stadium. Mel, we were walking the wrong way. The entrance is over there by the big hands.
Okay, the big hands.
The big hands.
You know what they say about men with big hands, don't you? Big hands.
Just follow the big hands. So we have booked breakfast for tomorrow. I assume it's in this area, which looks quite nice for budget accommodation. We're going to get there. So what room number are we? 16, so that's top at 1.
Yeah.
We're in the Premier Plus rooms, and they're on floors 15, 16 and 17. Floor 16, here it is. Here's the view. You can see down to St David's Hotel and Cardiff Bay. On the left you can see the Millennium Centre, and out to the Bristol Channel. Mel, hope, it's warm. Hope there's decent air conditioning in the room. Oh yeah, it's cool here. It's quite spacious in this corner.
Right.
Yep.
Oh, this is nice and cool.
Is it cold?
Yeah. Ooh.
There's a strange purple light above the bed.
Feels like you're in the red light district of Amsterdam market.
Get that aircon on, Mel.
I can't see.
On.
Okay.
Lower. Lower.
I won't go any lower than 19.
Well, it's feeling quite cool.
Is it?
It may drop down later. It's getting cool.
Okay.
It's quite cool in here in any case.
Okay, it's not too bad, is it?
When we came up in the lift, we showed you the view from the hallway. Our room is facing in the same direction. Take a look. So we're looking out to St David's, Cardiff Bay and the Bristol Channel. And the land over there, you can see, is actually over in England. Mel's really tired, hot, and just wants to sit down. But I'm going to make her do a room tour. Come on. We have to. That's the hardship of being a YouTuber. It's not all fun and games.
So we have the hooks.
Yeah.
And the mirror. Nice look, plenty of plugs, hairdryer, and an ironing board there.
All the essentials for... Yeah, these hotels are designed for
Marcus,
1 or 2 nights, aren't they?
yeah, for Marcus doing his makeup to look as good as he does.
Not working, is it?
No, it's not working.
Hello there. I'm looking like a conker today.
We got a bath. That's impressive. Oh, it's a nice bathroom. P&O Aurora, take note. Look at the bathroom. It's quite nice. Modern. Rainfall shower and a shower head.
It's not a bad bathroom.
It's a lovely bathroom. It's better than most hotels I've been in recently. And it's got Bayliss and Harding products there. What is there? Let's have a look. Body wash and
History.
oh, 2 lots of body wash.
Different flavours.
I wouldn't eat it, but yes, different flavours. So let's have a look at the fluffy test. That's not bad. Not bad. It's not super soft like the expensive ones. No, I presume there's another set somewhere. Usually is.
Okay sized TV, isn't it?
Yeah. Fine. Directly opposite the bed. Just a normal standard TV. I don't think it's a smart TV.
You've been framed. Is that still on?
It looks like it. Well,
What sockets has it got?
okay, so it's got USB. 1, 2, plenty of sockets. And 1 USB. Plus by the bed, it's got USB and a normal UK plug socket. What's the light for the... is that a light for the headboard?
I think it's that purple light.
Oh,
That
yeah.
purple light. Turn that off for a minute. What's curtain? Oh, it's a curtain light.
So in these Premier Plus room, you get an espresso machine. Ooh, and look, Marcus. Green and black's chocolate. Marcus could sort of osmose that, can you, Marcus? You could sort of like... So this got like butterscotch and milk chocolate. A few... Who drinks mint tea? My friend Linda does, actually. Earl Grey and a couple of bags of peachy tips.
Kettle test.
Kettle test. Ooh, decent looking kettle. Clean.
Got water in it though. Do you like that?
Well, empty it out. What is in there? Shall we have a look?
Could be a fridge.
Ooh, a fridge.
Do the standard rooms have fridges?
I don't know. There's complimentary water in there. 2 bottles of water. A sparkling and a still. The room as well includes the unlimited Wi-Fi in with the price of the room.
Yeah.
So we've got a code for that as well. And we've got... It's not room service, is it? But you've got... This is the sort of breakfast. Yeah, $10.99 for the unlimited cooked breakfast. $8.99 for unlimited continental. And then they also do this package if you wanted to eat in the restaurant. Breakfast, 2-course dinner and a drink, $26.99. So the Premier Inn is supposed to have very comfy beds. You can buy the mattresses, I think, can't you, on their website? Okay. So let's have a look, shall we, Marcus? Shall I take a run at it, Marcus?
No.
A run at it, Marcus? Ta-da! Ooh, that does feel nice, actually. Oh.
Unfortunately, it could be next to me.
Oh, yeah.
And if we go up tonight and have a glass of wine, I'll be snoring.
Yeah, and you'd be like an octopus with your arms and legs everywhere. Yeah, it is a comfy bed.
I got the artwork. Interesting.
Oh, yeah.
George Smith, 2020, entitled.
There's a little thing there. You can find even more information about it. A little QR code. So this is from George Smith. This is Untitled. So what do you think we should call it, viewers? What do you think?
A Vision in Pink.
Well, what about the green?
I don't know.
Green and pink splodges?
Death.
That'd be all black, wouldn't it?
Death.
That'd be all black.
Black.
Pretty princesses in green. I don't know.
No, it looks like, I don't know, it looks like a leek and a daffodil.
Does it?
You're getting it on.
Okay, that's enough for that.
We forgot to mention as well, there's plenty of storage under the bed. So that's the room tour. Thank you, Melissa.
For what?
Excellent room tour. It wasn't very big, but... So tomorrow, we've got breakfast. So we'll show you that. Premier Inn is meant to have quite a nice breakfast, isn't it? But what I'll do, I'll unpack, and before that, I'm going to quickly pop down and show you the area around the Premier Inn. It's called the Premier Inn Stadium because it's the closest one to the stadium itself. Okay, so I'll see you downstairs. As well as suit shopping for our future trip on the Queen Mary 2, we came to Cardiff today because I wanted to show you Cardiff Castle. So have a look at the Cardiff Castle video and I'll link that below. Very interesting, worth coming to Wales for. So there's the old building there. I think that used to be the Custom House, I'm not sure, can't remember. But anyway, that's the old building, and above it you can see the new Premier Inn. Purpose built and only opened March, I think. So where are we in Cardiff? Well, just over there is the Great Western Railway, the main Cardiff train station, and that is about a minute away. And the old pub on the corner is the Great Western, and that is now Wetherspoons. So the station is over there, about a minute. If we go the other way, take a right when we come out, in front of you is the Marriott. But if you walk down this way, just here is a really old pub, another old Cardiff pub. So I've crossed the road and now walking down past one of the old Cardiff pubs, the Golden Cross. I don't know if it's still open. And just there, I would say a minute and a half away is John Lewis. And if you walk down there, you get to the Hayes and the heart of Cardiff and the shopping centres. I think that old building that was incorporated into the new Premier Inn was the Custom House, because this is called Custom House Street. Back in the late 80s, early 90s, this area was very different. And I don't know if you can see a red brick building there. That was Jacob's Antique Market. And I had a little store there for a year, saving money to go to Australia. So back to the hotel. You turn left, train station. Turn right, John Lewis. You can get a bus to Cardiff Bay, but if you go straight on past the car park for the Marriott, you get to this area known as Mill Lane. And you can see there's lots of bars, restaurants and things like that. So you're right bang in the heart of the city. The location's really good. And the Millennium Stadium, or the Principality Stadium as it's called now, is 5 minutes. It's sort of behind that building there. So I'm going to go back to the room, have a rest, and we're going to go out for dinner tonight, but we'll probably leave you behind for that and just relax. But we'll see you in there for breakfast tomorrow. Are you decent?
I am, why?
I've got a camera.
Oh no, I'm in bed. No.
So I was showing the viewers around the area.
Don't look at me.
Elephant Man.
Give me some time on my own.
I'm not going to film us tonight.
Good.
We'll just show breakfast in the hotel tomorrow.
Who's mean?
See you tomorrow morning. I must admit now, the back in the room, it does remind me of those places in Amsterdam.
What place is that, Marcus?
The places I've heard about, I've never ever been or frequented in my life. Well, good morning from a great Cardiff.
Good morning.
Did you enjoy your night last night?
I did,
Went to a
yes.
Thai restaurant.
Yeah, it's nice.
How was your sleep?
Always very good.
How was the room? That's what we're
Yeah, the room, very, very good. Very comfy bed. I have to admit, the bed was very good. The what do you call them? Towels. The towels.
Oh,
the
towels.
towels are very
Towels.
soft,
What do you call them?
actually.
Oh.
The towels are softer than I thought they were at first. And also, nice temperature in the room. Because it was very warm outside at the moment. And yeah, it was good.
Shall we go for breakfast?
Yes.
Breakfast time. Like fast lifts.
They're quite fast lifts, yes.
I don't know what it'll be like when it's a busy weekend.
3 lifts though.
One thing, they may have copyright music playing, so I don't know how much we can film because last night it was quite loud. So we'll see. So I was saying, Mel, the breakfast looks pretty decent.
Good.
Nice and fresh.
Yeah.
I was saying they're not bad value for a hotel breakfast for just over £10.
Yeah, it's actually £10.95.
And the actual dining room's quite nice as well.
Oh, I'm impressed.
I would definitely stay here again.
I'm impressed so far.
They do have Marmite.
Ooh, you're impressed.
And Mel's got his soya milk. Proper tomato sauce as well.
Enough though.
Just swap it over. Not much there. What's the fruit salad like?
It's fine. Yeah. It's got pineapple in, grapes, apple, orange.
How do you say about a teapot?
I know it sounds stupid, but it feels quite sophisticated having a teapot in a budget hotel.
Makes it a calmer experience, isn't it? I think I'm going to get the grease now.
Oh, lovely.
Fried breakfast. I'm trying to lose weight before the next cruise, but I don't know. But sometimes when I have this sort of breakfast, I don't have lunch. So
Okay, I'll hold you to that later.
I've got the bacon, 3 hash browns, beans, a small bit of scrambled egg, and I'm going to get some bread and make a sandwich. Very restrained, Mel.
Well, I've got to get into those cute hard dresses as well, and I've got to get into my engagement dress. Marcus always rushes me. I'm still eating, Marcus. What do you want?
How was the breakfast?
Yeah, it was good. The buffet, the food was fine. It was a little bit cool. It wasn't the hottest buffet, but other than that, the quality was fine. It was decent, yeah.
Yeah, so good. The good thing, Mel, when you have a table for 4 and there's only 2 of you, you can pretend there are more of you on the table and move things to one side. Get over here, Mel.
I'm over here.
So that was breakfast.
Yes, it was fine, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's fine. Obviously,
It's not a 4-star, 5-star hotel, but it's perfectly fine. Yeah, it was great.
and what about the stay overall?
Yeah, I'd come back, and I don't say that very often when it comes to Premier Inns.
Yeah, it was a nice stay. It was a nice
Good.
hotel.
It is. It's the best Premier Inn I've stayed in, I think.
Yeah, so
For
it's
sure.
a thumbs up for us. So if you're in Cardiff, consider the Premier Inn, the Stadium one, the new one.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
I think it's worth paying extra for the, what are these rooms called? Premium rooms?
Premier Plus.
Premier Plus rooms, because I don't think it was more than about £10 more. And it's just a little bit nicer.
Obviously, we were here on the Sunday.
Yeah.
So when there's an event on or a concert, the prices can go through the roof. But
And it was well worth it. It was a £58 we paid.
yeah, and £10 each for breakfast.
Just over £10.
So that's it. See you in the next video shortly. Until then,
Bye.
bye.